So today, yeah, we're down here at Carney's, helping out at Carney's, fix a bunch of bikes for all the kids, for them to ride and have fun, learn to wheelie. And thanks to Rory and George, you know, for allowing me to come down and help out. It's my pleasure.
It's a pleasure to have you, Jake. It's been good. I've been collecting bikes for the past few months. A lot of our young people want to access bike life, but they can't always afford it. So through this, for our people donating to us, Jake and the other mechanics, they fix them up. We give them out to the kids. Yeah, doing positive.
That me.